I hear you again.
I think that's what.
Go, Zulu, go! Oh, nice move.
She goes way
Woo,
too
tumble.
wide.
Whoa, attack. Shake it off.
Here's my good girl, huh? What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get?
Want water, boy? You thirsty? Want to get water first? We'll get water and then you can play again, okay? Don't bite there.
I'll bite your head off. Rawr. Oh, nice move.
Don't get that ball from you. Go get it.
Okay, we have the ball. Ready? Go.
I love her bounce. Her hopper.